Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by clearing the wall and protecting the floor. Remove loose fixtures and tape off trim. Once done, score the wallpaper surface with a utility knife to let the DIF penetrate and apply the remover evenly using a low-shed roller. You want consistent coverage. That's why you mix the product exactly as the label prescribes and test a 2x2-inch patch. This first step saves time because it weakens adhesive before scraping and prevents damage to the dry. You should continue by checking the softened edge. Once the adhesive yields, use a flexible 5-inch scraper at a low angle to lift paper in strips. Make sure to work in small sections and reapply remover to stubborn areas. Repeating softening is faster than forcing a scrape. You'll see glue come off in ribbons. Keep a bucket of warm water and a sponge handy to clean residue as you go, because wetting prevents gouges and reveals remaining paste, so you can treat only what's needed. You complete the job by removing residual paste, sanding lightly where texture remains, and wiping the wall clean. Once dry, apply a stain-blocking primer before any new finish. Make sure to inspect the surface under good light to catch missed spots. If things go wrong, paste stubbornly clings, reapply DIF remover and wait, or use a wallpaper steamer briefly to loosen fibers. Avoid aggressive scraping, which damages drywall. This approach preserves the substrate and yields a smooth, paint-ready wall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.